Check out this 2009 Ford Focus. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your car. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.